The Combustion Analyzer CA502 by Yellow Jacket is the HVAC technician's must-have. In this video, we will cover the advantages and differentiators with this new product. The Yellow Jacket Combustion Analyzer is available in two options, CA502 or CA502P, which also includes a wireless Bluetooth printer. There is a cone for solid entry into the exhaust flue, a 7-inch probe to cover any residential light commercial furnace flue size, and a water trap and filter. The Combustion Analyzer includes a protective rubber case. It also has magnets on the back for easy hanging on a furnace system while you work. It also includes a power supply and charging cord. Inside the trapdoor of the case lid, you will find the literature that includes a quick start guide and a calibration certificate. The CA502P also has the printer manual. And most important is the acceptable combustion results. These are results that are industry accepted. Your specific equipment may have different tolerances, so always follow those first. This just helps you get started. First, we will connect the temperature probe and the gas sampling hose to the analyzer. Make sure to connect the in, P negative, and T1 positions. P positive is for use only with the manometer option sold separately. Then, outside in clean fresh air, we will turn the CA502 on. We are doing this in an open air source to ensure that our zero baseline for the CO is an actual zero. If you do this near a CO source, your baseline will be higher and will appear that your overall CO levels are lower than they actually are. This step starts the warm-up cycle and verifies the machine is operational and working properly. You will be asked to keep or repeat to reset your zero. If you started in an area where there may be a CO issue, go to the fresh area and hit repeat. Once you have a good zero, tap keep. After you zero the CA502, you'll need to turn on the flame for the system to begin its warm-up. Connect the analyzer to the exhaust flue to measure the flue readings. The flue cone allows you the ability to adjust the probe and keep it located while you collect your readings. It can go right in your high-efficiency furnace PVC tubing on B-vent systems. The probe should only be tested in the draft hood adapter, as you never want to drill through the double wall of the tubing. Ensure that your flue connection is on a straight section of stack, as you do not want it to be near bends where the readings may not be gathering the entire flue sample. Push the probe all the way back to the back of the flue and then pull out halfway to ensure the probe is centered in the flue. Clicking on the power and menu buttons brings up your menu options. This allows you to set measurements, set up your calibration, clear or recover files from the memory, run diagnostics, and it will even show you where you can send in your analyzer for service. In the analysis menu, you may select from one of 12 pre-configured fuels. Reading the temperatures, we will wait until the temperature is stabilized to show that the flame is consistently and evenly burning. When your temperature is stabilized, you're able to take your reading. Taking your data recording is as easy as pressing the Save button to record the data. Once your data is stored, press the Print button to bring the data up on your phone, or if connected to a printer, to print the readings for your records. The CA502 Combustion Analyzer is made with a safety feature to prevent high CO readings from damaging the sensors, and it prolongs the sensor's life. At 500 parts per million, a factory preset will trigger an alarm and the air pump will automatically shut off. The Combustion Analyzer is more than just a way to test for a CO leak in your heating system. While it tells you the CO it is seeing, it also tells you important troubleshooting things like how much excess air the unit has, the flue gas temperatures, as well as any flame quenching conditions and the overall furnace condition. The ability to read the carbon monoxide levels helps you determine fire issues producing carbon and the detrimental effects of the carbon as it builds up and becomes an insulator and causes overall heat transfer to drop in the system, as well as limiting your buildup of carbonic acids. It can also help detect cracks that are hard to find in your heat exchanger without having to pull apart your entire furnace. Checking each new install makes sure it is installed correctly and gives you historical data to check against on the next visit. This has been a demonstration of the Yellow Jacket Combustion Analyzers CA502 and CA502P. For more details, visit yellowjacket.com for product and customer support information.